How to screenshot a snap without them knowing. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can screenshot a snap without them knowing. First of all, you want to launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Now head over to the conversation list. Here you simply want to open up any conversation you want. Now, if you want to take a screenshot without them knowing, then the first thing you want to do is open up your notification panel. Now enable the flight mode. Now you want to take a screenshot. Here it says you took a screenshot, but you simply want to ignore that message. All you want to do is exit out of Snapchat, close it completely, then launch it open. Now tap and hold on the conversation that you just took. Then tap on the option of chat and notification settings. Here find the option clear from chat feed, then tap on clear. Once that is done, you want to turn off the airplane mode. Now you can simply open the conversation, and in this way you can take a screenshot of a snap without them knowing. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.